Hello and welcome to Pop Along RC. So today's video we're going to be discussing favourite YouTube channels. So if you haven't already liked and subscribed to Pop Along RC, we have got all kinds of RC car action for you. So please hit the old ding dong bell, like, subscribe, hit the notifications, do it all, because we've got something for everybody.
Yeah, we don't want you to miss it.
So we are officially YouTubers now. We've been doing it for 18 months.
18 months, yeah.
And there are some fantastic RC YouTubers on the net. Now, we could talk about RC Sparks.
Yeah,
Tolbert.
Kevin Tolbert.
Everybody knows about them. There are some smaller channels out there that we really enjoy watching. And there's some that I regularly visit. Now,
so if you're a regular to the channel, you'll know that we love our iconic cars, yeah? And obviously the Iconic Cup, which we're going to be doing this year. We've done one round of it last year, but we're booked in again. Iconic RC, it's the main man, John Weston, is behind it. And if you have a little look on that channel, it's really informative. It tells you a lot about some of the old cars, some of the do's and don'ts, and the origins of them and bits and pieces. Loads of things on there. And also, there's some great racing footage of some of the previous Iconic Cups and the revivals, the off-road stuff. So yeah, check out that one.
Definitely
Iconic RC.
Definitely worth a look. So, next up, and this is one of my favourite channels actually, both of us really enjoy the work of Ryan Harris. He is a racer through and through, and we are big fans of what he does out in the States. He's got one video which I must have watched about 10 times, the parking lot video.
Yeah, brilliant. That's really us, isn't it?
That is us.
Yeah, setting up in a parking lot, having a race with your mates and having a good time with it. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, brilliant.
All right, the next channel that I'm quite addicted to is 509. Check him out. He does some amazing things with cars. He kind of...
very creative.
Very creative, yeah. I think he's set fire to wire wall, stuck him on an X-Max and let it go. You know, silly things that we all want to do, but we just don't. Probably in this country due to health and safety, but he does it so you don't have to. So check his channel out. It's really good. Some great stuff on there.
So this channel is run by a guy called Sean, and he has been amazingly helpful for us getting us set up for the Iconic Cup. And his channel is full of information to help you get your TT01s ready for the Iconic Cup. Now, his channel is Total Tamiya, and he has got all manner of Tamiya cars on his channel. My favourite, the Hot Shot, is on there. He's got quite a good...
He's got a big lunchbox selection.
I was going to say, you need to finish that with selection. He has a big lunchbox selection of cars there. Yeah. So, Total Tamiya. What about you?
Check him out. Yeah, so for me, it's going to have to be Raz Schifrin. Now, if you're into speed...
He's a genius.
If you're into speed runs, check him out, right? Honestly, this guy... His cars are, to say quick is an understatement, right? Ridiculously fast. He works really hard on them. The actual pristine condition of these cars alone is a good reason to go and have a look. Carbon fibre, anodised bits and pieces, the most beautiful setup cars. Check his stuff out, it's really good.
Very good, very good. Now that comes on to my next favourite. So next for me, I am going to go with JB Trickle RC. I really enjoy watching his videos.
Yeah.
He's based over in the States, and his channel revolves around oval RC, and we haven't got that in this country, so I really enjoy watching his coverage of events that he's at, but also some of the information he gives about car setups. Fantastic channel, so if you haven't seen it, do check him out. So when it comes to a live feed, I do actually quite like dropping into Hardcore RC for their wrenching sessions. They've got some cracking videos on the channel, but I particularly like getting involved with the chats on the live feeds.
I was just about to say, some live feeds you tune into, they can be a bit boring, Cole. But Hardcore RC makes it quite good, quite watchable, quite fun, and he'll always engage with you if you want to ask him a few questions as well. So yeah, great channel, check it out.
Hardcore RC.
All right, so my next one is I stumbled across this channel like just recently actually. Quite a big channel, not huge, not up there in thousands of millions or whatever. And it's Tamiya Inc. Yeah, all right. Check out some of their stuff. There's some really good races on there of the World Championships, right? And they race most of the Tamiya chassis, the M chassis, all the the TT chassis.
But it's not traditional racing in the sense that you get a touring car shell on a TT01. They'll stick the VW camper vans.
Absolutely hilarious. But the standard, I was locked into that. The standard of rate, they're going around like a train. So if you like watching good close racing, have a look at that channel.
100%. Continuing with the racing, I do love watching my racing. There's a few channels, RCGP, we've also got Live RC, RC Racing TV. I think they've changed it to Control now or something like that.
I think so, yeah.
But I do really enjoy watching live feeds of races, and there's quite a few channels out there that give you access to the nationals, domestic races as well.
Yeah. So I think RC Racing TV did quite a good race series, or documented it last year. What was that one called?
King of Clubs.
The King of Clubs series, yeah, that was really good.
Really good to watch.
And we knew a few of the races, didn't we? So we were at home, tea in hand, watching the racing from our own front rooms live, So that's good.
Very good to watch.
Yeah. So you know what? I absolutely love my car racing, but I also fly planes. Not very often. And there's another channel that I've got a little bit of an addiction to actually, and that is Martin Pickering, right? Check his channel out. Again, really, really pristine aircraft, mainly jets.
Now, if you are into the hobby of RC, then you have probably watched an unboxing or two in your time, and he's becoming a bit of a king of the old unboxing, isn't he?
King of the unboxing.
Mr. Tom Lee.
Yeah, Tom Lee, yeah.
Very good. If you like an unboxing, he's your man.
Yeah, to the point, very, very good. He's pretty thorough, isn't he, when he unboxes?
He's very thorough with his unboxings.
Yeah.
I'll tell you who also is very thorough. RC Kicks. He actually dismantled cars and gets inside the diff and stuff.
Yeah,
so
he's got a lot of time on his hands, man.
He has.
So yeah, check his one out as well. Yeah, check his channel. Yeah.
Anyway, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel, because we are still quite a young channel looking to grow. So please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.
Yeah. Oh, just one more thing. What would Arnie think about this video?
I mean, it's terrific, right?
Thanks, Arnie. You're right. It's terrific.